50 languages. 18.
18.
House cleaning.
House cleaning.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday.
We have time today.
We have time today.
We are cleaning the apartment today.
We are cleaning the apartment today.
I'm cleaning the bathroom.
I am cleaning the bathroom.
My husband is washing the car.
My husband is washing the car.
The children are cleaning the bicycles.
The children are cleaning the bicycles.
Grandma is watering the flowers.
Grandma is watering the flowers.
The children are cleaning up the children's room.
The children are cleaning up the children's room.
My husband is tidying up his desk.
My husband is tidying up his desk.
I am putting the laundry in the washing machine.
I am putting the laundry in the washing machine.
I am hanging up the laundry.
I am hanging up the laundry.
I'm ironing the clothes.
I am ironing the clothes.
The windows are dirty.
The windows are dirty.
The floor is dirty.
The floor is dirty.
The dishes are dirty.
The dishes are dirty.
Who washes the windows?
Who washes the windows?
Who does the vacuuming?
Who does the vacuuming?
Who does the dishes?
Who does the dishes?